Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making another Jamaican favorite, saltfish fritters. I've got some fresh thyme from my garden, a few sprigs. So I've already got my saltfish that has been cooked already. So it's been washed and fried in some peppers and spices. So I don't need to add any Scotch bonnet or anything else to my saltfish. But if you were to use your fresh saltfish, you would ideally soak it overnight to remove the excess salt. Then in the morning you can just wash it off and debone it, take off the scales and the fins and all that. But because this has been prepared already, I don't need to do that. I just need to go through and debone. So I'm going to put everything together now. So I'm going to add 3 cups of flour. I'm using wholemeal. So I'm going to add in my spices. Then I'm going to add my saltfish. Remember, this is, you don't need to add any salt because this is already salty. So no salt is needed. And for those who are watching for the first time and do not know that saltfish is one or part of Jamaica's national dish. So I've got 2 cups of water here. So I'm just going to bring everything together. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You want to add the water bit by bit until you get to the consistency that you want. And that's the consistency that I'm going for. I want a little bit more color on that, so I'm going to add a little bit more of turmeric. So that's 1/2 teaspoon altogether. So I'm just going to drop them now. Okay, without attempt to turn them. Okay, I think these are almost done. So if you're cooking saltfish fritters for the first time and you're wondering, how do I know if it's done? I normally just give it a good press like that. And you can see it's bouncing back up. And they're golden brown. So I'm happy that they're done. They've been cooking for about, I would say about 10 minutes. Not too high a heat. You want it about, my stove goes up to, my cooker goes up to 9. And my heat is on 7 at the moment, so I don't want it too hot because obviously they will be brown on the outside or too black and then the inside won't be cooked. So this is how you know that they're done. See, they're bouncing back up and they're nice and golden brown. So because it's oily, I'm just going to put it on some paper towel to drain the excess oil. And add in the next batch. So there you go. time to turn. That's 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes to go on the next. And now they're done. Ready to come out the pot. And there you have it, the finished product. Some saltfish fritters. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a little try. I'll try this one. There you have it. Beautiful. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you try this recipe. It's a Jamaican favorite for breakfast, but you can have it for lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever you fancy. Okay, so as always, take care of yourself and each other. God bless. Catch you in another video.